Hello guys, welcome to Swift Communication GH. In this video, I'll be doing a speed test on this Mobilink 4G Mifi. This is a MF-800 device. This is a very good low budget 4G Mifi. It accepts all network and works in any country. Let's insert our SIM card. This device has a 2100 mAh battery. It has a SIM port and a SD card slot. To use a micro SIM. In this video, we're using a Vodafone SIM to test the speed. This is the way to insert the SIM card. At the side of the device, we have the power button and the WPS button. Over here, we have the reset button. At the back of the Wi-Fi cover, we have the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. In the Mifi, we have 4 LED indicators: the network, the battery, the message, and the Wi-Fi. So now we can connect this device to our laptop. The Wi-Fi name is MF-800. We are connected and secured to the Wi-Fi. So now let's perform a speed test. First, we'll be using speed test by Ookla. This device has a 150 Mbps to 50 Mbps upload. For speed test, we are getting a 30.1 Mbps download and a 34.2 Mbps upload, which is a very good speed for a low budget device like this. So now let's try fast.com. On fast.com, I'm getting a 12 Mbps download and a 27 Mbps upload, which is similar to this: 30, 34, 12, 27. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this and turn on the notification. See you guys in the next video. Bye.